Have you ever wondered what sparked the connection between Europe and Africa? This journey began with explorers, missionaries, and traders. Let's unravel this fascinating story. In the early 15th century, Europe began its age of exploration. Nations like Portugal and Spain took the lead. They sought new trade routes to Asia. But what they found changed history forever. Explorers were the pioneers of this era. They sailed across uncharted waters. Vasco da Gama was one notable explorer. He reached India by sailing around Africa's coast. His journey opened sea routes for trade. Next came the missionaries. They aimed to spread Christianity in Africa. Men like David Livingstone ventured deep into the continent. They documented their journeys and shared stories of African cultures. Traders also played a crucial role. They exchanged goods like gold, ivory, and spices. European demand for these resources grew immensely. This created lasting economic ties between the continents. As we visualize, imagine a map showing these explorers' routes. Each line tells a story of discovery and ambition. Picture the ships, sailing through rough seas toward unknown lands. Now, consider the impact of these activities. European explorers brought both knowledge and challenges. They introduced new ideas but also disrupted local traditions. Missionaries often clashed with indigenous beliefs. Traders sometimes exploited resources and people. For example, when Vasco da Gama arrived, he sparked trade, but also conflict. The balance of power shifted, and colonial powers began to emerge. Let's summarize what we've learned. Early European explorers expanded trade routes. Missionaries shared their faith while documenting cultures. Traders exchanged valuable goods, but also caused disruptions. These interactions shaped the future of Africa and Europe. The legacies of these early contacts still resonate today. Now, what can you do next? Explore our worksheet to dive deeper into these explorers' contributions. Reflect on how their journeys impacted today's world. Join us on this educational adventure.